Embedded System Design is a kind of controller based training program. Basically, nowadays, to make the things automated, we introduce controllers in our day-to-day basis products. It makes the product more easier and give more facilities and handles most of the background things, so we handle the product very efficiently. This is our demonstration embedded kit. Basically, embedded deals with various controllers. Here, this kit contains HCS 12 family controller, whose derivative is MC9S12DP256B. To run this board, we have to install some drivers and some softwares inside our PC. This is our HCS 12 family embedded kit. This kit includes some breadboard, so we insert some ICs and make some interfacing. There are various interfacing sections built in this kit. This is the keypad section. This is our ZigBee section. This is A2D potentiometer. We use this A2D this potentiometer in the application of A2D conversion. And there is LCD, there is a 7 segment, there is some LEDs, there is some keypads, there is some fixed kind of keys available, and PWM available here. There is some reset and serial port communication, power enhancement cables, and this is all about the kit. To run our made program in our embedded kit, we required some software. This is HCS 12 family. For HCS 12 family, there is a program of burning program, which is Code Warrior Development Studio IDE. I open this software and browse for our code. After making and compiling the entire code, we choose HCS 12 serial monitor. After this, I start my program, because it is a kind of simulation type thing. So we start the program. We start here. After starting here, our program is activated on the board. Here I transfer the ATD code. ATD stands for analog to digital conversion. We change the analog signal using this potentiometer and see the result on the LEDs. Now, let's see. Here it is clear that when I rotate the potentiometer and vary the analog signal, the digital value of analog signal is changes, and it clearly shows on the LEDs. Here we see the analog to digital conversion application on the embedded board, and how the microcontroller helps to generate this analog to digital conversion. Basically, this application is very useful in some products like AC. In AC, where the temperature is measured, temperature is an analog quantity, and to that analog temperature quantity, we have to make some decisions. Controller helps to decide whether the system is going on and or off. So here the controller helps by means of analog to digital conversion. Controller helps to switching out the devices inside the AC.